Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this fun Among Us design. Start off by painting all of your nails sheer. I made all of the characters by first painting the outlines with black and then filling them in. I started with a kind of oval shape for the mask, followed by the body and then the backpack. Once the outline is finished, you can go ahead and add the colors. Use a light blue, a grayish blue, and white for the mask, and then purple for the shading and red for the body. If you aren't super confident about getting the outline right in one shot, you could also make these characters by starting with the colors and then outlining it afterwards. For that method, I would start with the solid red body and backpack, and then add the light blue mask. Once that's dry, I would add the shading before moving on to the outlining. I chose to make the outlines first just because you don't have to wait for as many layers to dry while you're painting. Sealing your design with a top coat. When you're making the black outline for the dead body, you want to make a jagged line just below the backpack and then add a bone sticking straight up from the middle. Fill the bone in with white, and then use dark yellow to fill in all of the backpack and little triangles on both the left and right sides of the body. Fill the rest of the body in with yellow. I decided to use yellow for the tutorial instead of the blue that's in the thumbnail because it's a bit easier to see. The blue kind of blended into the black outline a bit too much. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!